Hey guys, a good friend of mine reached out and she just got herself a new truck, and so she wanted a piece of Americana for her garage, so we're gonna make ourselves a Cummins sign. And since I didn't want to just do one because it's pretty easy, we're gonna go ahead and I'll show you how to do the Dodge sign as well. That one's just for fun, so let's see how it's done. Cut out some of the bits. I left the sides on so this way it can fit exactly here. I was struggling a little bit following these lines with this jigsaw. It just doesn't cut the same way as my old one. But there's all the screws holding all the individual pieces together. So once I keep on cutting, this will be all in perfect placements. When I screw these in, I don't aim. I don't measure nothing. I just kind of aim from behind, line it up and do it. Sometimes you end up putting a hole through where you're not supposed to, but that's the risk we're willing to take. Alright, all these are dry. This one's dry. Only thing I forgot to paint this one, so I'm gonna brush this one real quick. But time to crack open the cider and let's go check on our ribs. Alright, I totally forgot about these, or rather didn't forget. I had wheels came in for the Infinity and my wife was busy, so let's get these off. That's the beauty of the charcoal though. I mean, I barely pulled apart this thing and it just came right off and everything looks really good inside. Probably would have been better if I would have taken it off an hour ago, but ultimately this just burns out and it sits there kind of as a warming rack. So, alright, these guys are all ready. I gotta come up with some creative way to display them real quick for a thumbnail. It's as good a spot as any to take the thumbnail shot because we got hybrid and Cummins, so it's kind of ironic. But yeah, the signs came out really nice. Yeah, came out good. Pretty fun projects. Thanks for watching and great success.